Hello, East students. This is Miss Kelly, your East facilitator at Henderson Middle School. What I wanted to show you today was how to go about opening the Homestyler application and opening the video training tutorial that I sent in your Schoology account. So what you would do is you would first of all get into Google Chrome. Once you've gotten into Google Chrome, at the very top, you would go ahead and type in myclasslink.com/LRSD. My account automatically is synced, so mine went directly to my account. However, what you would do at this top line, you would type in myclasslink.com/LRSD. You will then type your username, which will be your ID number. You will then type your password here, which will be the birth year, the birth month, the birth day, and then a capital letter of whatever your first name is. Then you will click on Sign In. Once you have signed in, it will get you to this screen, and what you want to do is you want to open up your Schoology account. What I've done is I have sent you messages in your courses, so you would look for courses. So click on courses. It depends on the class that you're in. I'm going to go ahead and open up first period class, but find your designated class session. Then you would go down to week 4. So I'm just scrolling with my mouse, the middle wheel of my mouse, and I'm going directly to week 4, day 1. I will click there. And I've sent you step-by-step procedures on how to do the assignment for EasyHome Style Homestyler. What you could do here is I'm opening up the training video. So there's my training video. What I want to do next is I want to click on the plus symbol, and then I'm going to type in the website address for Homestyler, which is www.homestyler.com/floor-plan. I will then press enter. It will open. If you do not have an account already set up, there will be an option for you that would say open an account. You would open the account. You will then type your first name and last name. It will also ask for your email address. And then you should click on Open Account. Once you have opened your account, you are then ready to click on Create New Design. So I now have my EasyHome Homestyler application open, and I also have the tutorial video open. I'm going to go to the bottom of my screen. I'm going to do a right click with my mouse, and then I'm going to click on Show Windows Side by Side. So I now have the video showing me how to use the program, and then I've split my screen by just dragging the tab to the to the right, and I now have both the tutorial for EasyHome Homestyler, and I have the application. What you would do is you would then press the record button, and you could, if you needed to, you can open up your screens a little wider if you need to. I will then click the video.
All right, so we're going to go to this homestyler.com.
Then what will happen is the producer of the video will then open up and give you step-by-step procedures of what to do. You are following the steps in this tutorial, which means that at the end of the video, whatever this guy has at the end of his video should be shown on your side where you're actually using the application software. You will then take a snapshot of your final product. Thank you. If you have any questions, you can give me a call at 501-447-2824. Thank you.